Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel. And those who are new, welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I'll explain you about chart in deep and also with some components of chart. In the last video, I have explained you about how to create a chart and along with some elements of chart, right? How can we add chart element and what are their uses? So like this. If you have missed, then don't worry. I will leave link in my description. You can check from there. So in this video, I will explain you about components of chart. Like you can see on my screen, a chart is visible to you, right? Because this is very basic and it is very required that you should know about basic components of chart. Okay, because if you can't identify the names of chart, I mean components of chart, then later on you will not able to use like formatting parts and many more options are there. So let's get started. So as you can see, here is a chart visible to you on my screen. And so first of all, what is chart area? Okay, see, when I have placed my cursor here, so chart area is written na. This is our chart area. Means the chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. Whatever objects and elements are here will be placed in chart area. तो उसको हम लोग चार्ट एरिया बोलते हैं जहाँ पे हमारा चार्ट बना हुआ हो. एक और चीज मैं यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, व्हाट इज प्लॉट एरिया. So as you can see the blue lines, this one, this is plot area. Plot area means the plot area is window within a chart area, right? Chart area is outer part and plot area is inner, in between the chart area. So plot area actually it is an actual chart and included the plotted data. Whatever data you can see here, plot area includes. Okay, so this is all about chart area and also plot area. Okay, next one is category axis. What is category axis? Category axis, I have also told in my previous video, is nothing but a x axis and y axis. You must be aware of these terms, x axis and y axis. Okay, so this is axis title, vertical value axis, and this is horizontal category axis. Okay, this is horizontal, this one, and this one is vertical. So this is axis titles. Also you can say category axis. Next is value axis. Value axis or y axis is the vertical axis. These both are same. This one. You can say value axis also. You can, as you can see on the screen also, it is visible. Next one is data series. What is data series? Data series is a related set of data values. Like let me show you. See. This is data series. In this series, Vijay point marks value 98. It is written ना, मतलब कि विजय को 98 मार्क्स आया है और यहाँ पे ये आपको ग्रिड स्मॉल डॉट से आपको शो भी हो रहा होगा, डॉटेड लाइन से, राइट? So this is data series. This is data series. These all are data series. Okay? These all are data series. And access titles. Access title means what? Like you can say chart title here and access title will be here. If I want to add some title in my in my category axis also, like मैं यहाँ पे भी कुछ अपना टाइटल देना चाह रही हूँ कि जैसे ये मार्क्स यहाँ पे शो हो रहे हैं ना, तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे देना चाहूँ तो यहाँ पे मार्क्स टाइटल में दे सकती हूँ, जो भी जिसके भी बारे में हमारा चार्ट होगा. ओके, और यहाँ पे भी मैं दे सकती हूँ क्योंकि प्रॉपर अगर हम लोग ग्राफ बनाते हैं या कुछ भी तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जो भी नेम्स होते हैं वी यूज टू राइट इट ना. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे भी टाइटल लगा सकते हैं और वर्टिकल एक्सिस पे भी. और ये कैसे लगाते हैं ये आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड. चार्ट एलिमेंट में जाके हम लोग एक्सिस टाइटल ऐड कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज एक्सिस टाइटल. एंड सिमिलरली चार्ट टाइटल आपको जब आप चार्ट टाइटल पे क्लिक करोगे आपको वहां पे मिल जाएगा. इन दिस पार्ट यू विल गेट सी axis titles and chart titles. So in this title you will get, in this option you will get above charts, entered, overlay से मतलब बीच में आ गया, और more titles options है. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ से आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so this is chart title and axis title. And plot area तो I have already explained you. Next one is legend. What is legend? Legend is this one. See, like where Kabir, Rajan, Ridhima, Anika, Vijay, these all are showing na here. So this is our legend. Okay. So लीजेंड मीन्स मतलब जहाँ पे शो हो रहा है कि कबीर का यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर से शो हो रहा है, राजन का ऑरेंज से शो हो रहा है ना, रिधिमा का ग्रे, अनिका येलो, विजय सम दिस ग्रेडियंट पिक्चर. सो ये हमारा क्या है, यहाँ पे ये जो मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है, दिस इज कॉल्ड लीजेंड. एंड ग्रिड लाइंस मीन्स दिस कैन बी आइदर हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल. जैसे ये जो है ना हमारा, ये हमारा ग्रिड लाइंस है. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द चार्ट, विच टाइप ऑफ चार्ट यू हैव क्रिएटेड. ऑलराइट, सो दीज आर सम components of chart. This was useful, that's why I have told you, because like if I now I want to format my chart. Okay, so in this term it is useful. How? Let's see. So formatting a chart, first of all, if you want to format your chart area, this one is your chart area. So you have to you can just double click here, then your format chart area will be visible to you on the right side of your screen, or simply you can right click here and then you will get from format chart area, and also you can click from this way also. Okay, so now format chart areas dialog box is visible to all of you on the screen, and from here I can apply some features like solid fill. I have already, like gradient fill. See, you can see the changes whatever I am selecting now, you can see the changes. If I will click on the radio button of solid fill, see this is round button now, it is called as radio button also. So if I will click on radio solid fill, so our chart will look like this, and you can change the color from here. There are so many colors, more color. If you want to get some more colors, so you can click here also, but it is I think sufficient. So you can click from here. See, now your colors of chart area is changed, है ना? From green to I think it is orange, dark orange. Yeah. So from here you can change, and now it's border changes. So how will you do that? For border changing, see solid line या no line. If you will click on no line ना, तो यहाँ पे आपको कोई border नहीं दिखेगा. But if you will click on solid line, then you can see. And also you can change color of your border. It is also red and orange, so it is not visible. It may be not visible. See, now you can see border. Also you can increase width and decrease width. Okay, from here. So this was formatting of chart area. Format means simply format means what? You can add and change colors. You can give some more colors. You can just make your chart very effective. That's called formatting. So this one was to about for chart area. Now see plot area. So simply see, I have double clicked on this. So format plot area is visible on my screen. So similarly, you can format your plot area also, like I have done of chart area. So you can select colors from here. If I will change, so it will look like this. See, now my color of plot area is yellow, right? And also you can give border, you can change color of border, colors of border. Like if I will give this color, so now my borders color is changed, right? Also you can increase or decrease width. So like this was to about formatting plot area. So similarly you can format your data series also. See, now format data series. If I when I clicked on this data series, double click, then this dialog box appear on my screen. Okay, so you can change according to your choice whatever you want to change from here also you can do. And also see there are some more options in data series like picture or texture field. So uh, you can insert more pictures also, like from a file if you have saved, or online pictures, or from icons. So you can insert pictures also in your data series. Okay. And gradient, if you want to give gradient, then this see gradient, it is called gradient. You can change from here. There are so many, see. So there is unlimited options for you. It's only up to you what type of chart you want to create. Okay, so this was about formatting a data series. From here you can give borders. From here you can change color of borders, width. So that's it. And also formatting of axis titles. How will you do that? So see, this is axis title na? This is axis. Format axis is dialog box is appeared now. So similarly, you can just change. Likewise, I have already explained as three formatting na. Also, you can format your legend. Legend, format legend. You can do this also. You can change colors according to here. Like if I will select black, so you have to observe the changes. Okay, if I will select gradient lines or automatic solid lines, so according to this you can just use. And dash type means dotted line will be there. See, if I will click here, see, you must be seeing the changes. Borders of red color, black, and gradient dot dot dot. Okay, also, so this one's, and according to your choice, you there are so many options, you can just do that. So this was about how to format your legend. Okay, and you can also change your value axis. This is, you can give some titles also to your chart. And data series, so I have already explained you. So this one was all about to how to format your chart. Okay, it is looking so colorful. So now I am closing it. All right. Also you can add from here plus sign, also you can add some chart element, you can add also, you can remove also. There are so many options. And one more thing I want to focus, you don't have to confuse between chart area and plot area. Okay, these both are different. Plot area is just a part of chart area. It is within chart area. Okay, chart area is the outer part and plot area is a inner part. Plot area means where the data series and the axis all are depicts. And chart area means चार्ट एरिया के ही अंदर में सारा प्लॉट एरिया आ जाता है, जहाँ पे एक्चुअल चार्ट बना है वो होता है हमारा प्लॉट एरिया. All right, I hope it is clear to all of you. Still, if you feel any doubt, you can just ask me in comment section. Thank you.